happens if you're involved in a hit and run or someone who is underinsured hits you?
Hit and run accidents in New York State require certain things to be done to make sure that you preserve your claims against your own insurance company. I didn't misspeak. Your own insurance company. If you're involved in a hit and run accident, the first things you got to do is call the police and get a report, and you have to do that within 24 hours of the accident. That's because the law on hit and runs is written in a way to protect or ensure that people can't game the system or engage in some sort of fraud. So getting police documentation is clearly going to be a way to prove that that's not going to be your situation. There also has to be physical contact between a hit and run vehicle and your vehicle. Now, how is that demonstrated? Well, naturally, if there's visible property damage to a vehicle, that's a pretty surefire way to prove it. There are times, though, where there could be other ways that physical contact can be manifested. Now, there's a lot of different ways in which that can happen, and I'm not going to get into all the permutations and possibilities. But let's just say, a common example that comes up in the law a lot is the tire that separates from a truck and rolls down the highway in scary fashion at high speed and slams into your windshield. Is that physical contact under the law? Well, the answer is it could very well be. So physical contact doesn't necessarily mean an actual two-car accident. There can be other ways to satisfy that element of a hit and run claim. But the most important reason why you've got to show those two things, that police have been notified and the physical contact has actually occurred, is because filing a hit and run claim against your own insurance policy is a bit different than just being engaged in a lawsuit with a negligent driver who stayed at the scene, who the police identified, and everyone knows who was involved. It's just a little bit nuanced. So yes, speaking to an experienced attorney about something like that would definitely be helpful. And again, sooner rather than later is ideal.